If you determine that you want to actually use the brush in the future, you can actually clean the brush using some acetone. So I just put a little acetone inside my cup here. I dip my brush in it while it's still wet. I'm dipping my brush and cleaning it up, pushing it around, mushing it, taking a paper towel, working the resin out. So I'm working the resin out of it. Do it one more time. And now I've got the majority of that resin out, enough to where I'll be able to use this brush again for a pre-coat. This is the this pre-coat was, I think, the third time I've used this brush. Of course, you'll lose some bristles here and there. It's a cheap brush. Same thing happens in your resin if you're not paying attention. If you lose some in there, you pull the bristles out, and this helps get rid of some of the loose bristles. So now I've got this brush clean. I'll let it sit out here, and then later today it will be nice and dry, and I'll go dispose of this acetone, and we've got a clean brush. It's been my pleasure to share the information in this video. Hopefully it provided one or two tips that you might be able to use. If there's anything else you think you would have liked me to put into the video that wasn't, please leave a comment. I would appreciate it if you would like, comment, share, or subscribe if you like this video. Have a wonderful day.